So guys, showing is here. One more LeetCode video has been came on the channel. So guys, by the way, we are in today's video we are solving our question number 624 by the name of maximum distance in arrays. So yeah, we are solving this question, and in today's question there are two examples are included. Okay, and we are solving this question in Python 3, by the way, like you all the people know who are my daily viewers that know we are solving all the question in Python 3, but some of the questions are came on MySQL or in Pandas. Okay, but anyways, we are solving today's video, today's question in Python 3. And by the way, there's a medium question which we are solving, and there are two topics are included by the name of array and greedy. Only two topics are included. This question is based on these two topics, and total 4,22,000 people had submitted it, and only 1,92,882 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 45.6%. Okay, so now let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing. So guys, let's show today's video, and in today's video we are solving a question number 624 by the name of maximum distance in arrays. So first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we will start to solve it. And in today's question there are two examples are included. Okay, we see both of the examples. Okay, so but first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say us, then we will start to solve it in the LeetCode Camp website. So now let's start. It has been given me a one m arrays, means it has been given me a one m arrays by the name of m, where each array is sorted in ascending order. Okay, so highlighted this ascending order and do the color in black. And if you do not know what is the meaning of ascending order, ascending means greater than to smaller. Here you can also be search it. Okay, ascending order. So it will be told you here, ascending arranging item from the smallest to largest. Means in smallest to largest, it is means ascending orders. You can pick up by mistake I say greater to smallest, but it means smallest to largest. Okay, you can pick up two integers, means integers means numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9 10 and blah 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 from two different arrays. Each array picks one and that calculate the distance. We define the distance between two integers a and b. Integers mean numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and many more etc. Okay, there are two integers a and b to be there. Absolute difference a minus b. And you are thinking a and b is integer. No, means that here you get one by a variable and b variable. In these both variable there are two there are one integer. So we want to absolute we want to be there absolute difference means a minus b like this. Okay, we want to return the maximum distance. Okay, we in today's video we want to return the maximum distance of two integers a and b. Okay, so if you see here he created one array. Okay, by the name of array, so you can see it, in which he wrote in down some numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. Okay, in the square brackets he wrote it down, means here he created a one square bracket, and inside the square bracket here he created a three more square bracket. There is a first square bracket in which he wrote it down 1 2 3. Okay, why these things are highlighted? I highlighted only some of the things, so let's unhighlight these things. Okay, so first of all let me do him in the white color so it will be visible for you. Okay, highlight. Okay, in white color. Okay, perfect. Now here is one in the square bracket, there is first square bracket, and then the second square bracket in which he written down 4 5, if you see here. Okay, 4 5, and then there is a third square bracket in which he written down 1 2 3. Okay, here you can see it. Here we created a square bracket inside a square bracket, three square brackets, and now let's give him the white color. Now What we're gonna do now, let me show you. Now the output has been coming 4. Now you are thinking why the output has been coming 4, because one way to reach the maximum distance is 4 is to pick 1 in the first or third array and pick 5 in the second array. Means that in the one way, if you see the one way to reach the maximum distance 4 is to pick 1 is very nearest. So that's why the 4 will pick 1 very fastly. So that's why the output will become 4 and the first or third array and pick 5 in the second array. If you see this example to it, the same as here he created arrays, and in the square bracket here he created a 2 square brackets in which he wrote it down 1 1 and 1, and the output is coming 0. And there are some of the constraints it has been also be given you. So now let's come on it here, and let's come on to your website here. Now let's try to solve this question, by the way, and total 2 topics are included by the name of array and greedy, and total 1,92,000 people is submitted and only 4,22,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 45.6%. So we are solving this question in Python 3, and this is a medium 1 question. So let's start. So first of all, we define a class of a solution in which I define object def and then max distance self comma arrays. Smallest equals to arrays 0 and then 0. Biggest equals to arrays and then 0 and then minus 1. Max distance equals to 0, enter. For I in range, here I define, and then what I gonna do, 1 comma, then we found the length of our arrays and then semicolon, enter. Then here I define ARR equals to arrays. The topic is on based on arrays, so that's why in today's solving video we are defining arrays in most of the lines. Okay, equals to max distance. And if you are new here and if you are still seeing my video till here, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of videos. If you subscribe my channel and if you support me, then I will be in my body there will become some motivations, and I upload more beautiful videos for you. Okay, and then you will be also be enjoy it. Okay, so that's why please subscribe it. But let's write ARR equals in the square bracket 0. Okay, so now when I do this all the things, so remove this and then define smallest equals to min, and please understand about min and max. I hope you know about min and max. And if you want to come to solve this all the question of the LeetCode camp, first of all you want to know some of the most important things which you want to know in DSA to solve this question. I will be told you in the later on this video, means in the last video, in the ending of this video I will be told you that what you want to know for solving these LeetCode can solve videos questions, I mean. So we have read it about all the code, so you can also view it if you have some error and anything, so you can see it here, the smallest, biggest, okay, and these all the things. Okay, so now let's run the code, and when I run this code, so now let's see. So now it has been let's see, accepted, and the case 1 is also be accepted and the case 2 is also be accepted. Now last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the submission code has been also be accepted, and okay, why it is not accepted? Output having coming 12, but my output is 12, but expected output is 14, but my output having coming 12. Analyze complexity. Okay, my complexity is also very good. It is giving me an error in the submission. Okay, so it will be a problem. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so sorry, I do not remove the previous code which I already written down. So now let's see the running code. Sorry, I mean the submitting code. So now let's see. So now it has been accepted and I beat 52.10% people. So now let's post this solution, beat 52.10% people. So now it is taking a loading. So when it take a loading, then I will be post it. Okay, So now pH 52.10%. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solved question number 624 by the name of maximum distance in arrays. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And I want to tell you something what you want to know if you want to solve the LeetCode camp question. So let me show you what you want to know. So first of all, open your profile. So now my profile has been opening. When my profile will be open, then I will show you what you do want, what do you know for solving the LeetCode camp questions. Okay, so now let me show you. So now it has been opening. Okay, my net is working slow, so that's why it is working little bit slow. Okay, now it has been taking a loading. So when it has been take the load, and then I will be told you. Okay. So let me tell you here in this here from beside your list there will become all the things on the DSA what you want to know. So you will be see it here. In the next video I will tell you because the little bit the LeetCode camp website has been crashing, it is not opening, so that's why. So if I am waiting for it, so the video will become very longer, so that's why. So here in this side there will become your all the things which you want to know in DSA. Okay, and in the next video I will be also be told you that. So now anyways, let's meet you in the next video amazing video. So for today, goodbye.